Oh boy, Microsoft's free Bing Wallpaper app for Windows. Yeah, this one's like a Shady X trying to get back into your browser history. It shows up uninvited and just won't leave. The problem here is not that it's free, but rather that it's a sneaky way for Microsoft to get you hooked on Bing search. It's like they're saying, hey, install my app, and we'll throw in some nice wallpapers. But no, the fine print is like a browser extension that won't uninstall. It installs Bing Visual Search and starts decrypting your Edge and Chrome cookies. That's not just annoying, that's like Microsoft trying to track you down and force-feed you their own search results like a digital hostage situation. And let's be real, if this app was really worth the free price tag, it would probably come with some sort of disclaimer warning us about the impending Bingpocalypse. But no, it just comes with some nice images and a healthy dose of persuasion to switch to Bing. It's like Microsoft is trying to say, hey, we're not trying to spy on you or steal your soul, but rather, oh wait, we totally are. The real question here is where the line gets drawn between providing users with features and services that genuinely improve their experience versus manipulating them into doing our bidding. And honestly, Microsoft's track record suggests it's all about the latter. I mean, remember when they pushed Chrome installs on new Windows machines to Edge as an alternative? That was like a digital boot camp for Chrome users. Hey, you're using Chrome? Well, let us show you some real love, with Edge. And now this Bing Wallpaper app is just another iteration of that same old trick. So, if I were you, I'd take NeoWin's word for it and steer clear of this one. After all, as Zach Doffman so aptly puts it, Microsoft is up to some shady old tricks again. Damn right they are.